ஷாட் கிளியராக இருக்கா, ஃபேஸ் வந்து கிளியராக இருக்குது, ஸ்க்ரீனையும் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிறோம். இப்போ பவர் பாயிண்ட் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஓப்பன் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கலாம். வச்சுட்டு இது பண்ணிக்கலாம். குட் மார்னிங் ஒன் அண்ட் ஆல். Now we are going to say about the script storyboarding preparation, then developing effective PowerPoint presentation for notes, then production of digital content. Now we're going to see about that what is script writing, then what is the format for screenplay. We have to choose, but first we can choose a topic, then content is that you can bring the content in Word file, then I choose that save environment. So in that script one we have to give that introduction through infograph. I gave through infograph. Then later I will explain you what is infograph and how to make an infograph. Next, that script 2 I am telling about the subheadings, what pollution, that is going to present through that PPT and video. Then script causes and effects through PictoChart. That PictoChart is that free sign up only. You can make only 5 slides, then you can delete it, you can use it. Okay. Then script 4 is controlling measures. That through Google Slide. I am going to explain through Google Slide how to create a Google Slide, how to share the Google Slide to your students. So what is the purpose of that Google Slide? Why we are preferring that Google Slide? Simultaneously we can work it. If you give an edit option, automatically everyone will work simultaneously. All students can make a correction or make a PowerPoint. Okay, thank you. Let me see tomorrow. Bye. Thank you.